Hi, safety professionals. This is a health, safety, and environmental exclusive channel. Just click and subscribe this channel and support the channel for all HSC BBS related information. You'll get it instantly. Now, the topic is 6 workplace hazards. What are the major 6 workplace hazards? Number 1, physical. Number 2, chemical. Number 3, biological. Number 4, ergonomical. Number 5, lifting workload hazard. Number 6, safety hazards. These are the 6 hazards. Then what are the physical hazards? The physical hazards are radiation, then high extreme weathers, heat, temperatures, cold weather, then different environmental climatic conditions, earthquake. These all various environmental factors. Then extreme weather. This all comes under the physical hazard. Heavy noise, abnormal noise, also physical hazard. Then chemical hazard. The chemical hazards are all chemical related chemicals, which are acids, chemical materials. Then hazardous waste, chemical materials, what all using the industries, all coming under the chemical hazards. For example, those who are working in the laboratories, those who are working occupational hazards, that is chemical hazards, the gases, poisonous gases evolving from the various process. These are all chemical hazards. You must be careful about the chemical hazards. Each hazards having the some safety measures. That's what we are classifying 6 workplace hazards. The chemical hazards is storing the chemicals, the chemical hazards. Then various materials, what all chemical you are using and processing, and waste, so all coming under the chemical hazards. Third one is biological hazards. These biological hazards are virus, bacteria, fungi, contaminations. These all coming under the biological hazards. If it's workstations and restrooms are not clean and neat, there will be a chance of growth of bacteria, virus and fungi. So these all called the biological hazards. These biological hazards will spread easily due to the contaminations between the individuals. As you know that one, coronavirus is a biological hazard. It made a world crisis. The world becomes shut down when coronavirus is inactive. So that is the power of biological hazard. Biological materials, biological waste, biological material contamination, workplace contamination. So, and then working hygiene, not if unhygienic, it leads to the contamination. It's all the biological hazard. So it's insisting the cleanliness, neatness, hygienic conditions. So that's what it's required for against the biological hazards. Then ergonomic hazards. The fourth one is ergonomic hazards. The postures, how you are sitting, how you are lifting the weights, how you are walking, how your postures and shifting the machines, how you are working style. It's all ergonomics. How you are handling the ergonomics, how you are sitting, how you are working, how you are taking the lifting the materials, how you are doing the work with the machineries. It's all coming to the ergonomics. If this ergonomic hazard, if you are not doing the proper thing, then it will leads to muscle strain, fractures, lot of risk will come because of this hazard. Then workplace lifting hazards. What we have seen, fourth one is ergonomics, postures and proper structures. Then workplace lifting hazard. So how you lift the various things. For example, the lifting the vehicles, lifting the weight, lifting the load in the crane, lifting the loads in various machineries, forklifts, crane, handling the weights. If you are not properly handling, there will be big accidents from the crane and forklifts. So the lifting, workplace lifting hazards are very much important. So that is the fifth one. So what we have seen: physical, chemical, biological, ergonomics and workplace lifting hazards are fifth. Then sixth one is safety hazard. The safety hazards: trip and falls. Anything will happen, the accidents like a trip, machinery hazards, electrification, sometimes electrical accidents, sometimes people unknowingly touch the electrical wires, live wires, and sometimes shocking this electrification and the people's slip and falls in the sides, not knowing the places properly, uneven surface and falls from the construction site. So these all comes under the safe hazards, safety hazards. So these are the 6 types of workplace hazards. You must be classified, and this one you have to, based on this hazards, you must having the risk. So each section you must have a hazard, risk assessments, control measures, the how to handle, the monitoring, inspections, auditing. These all coming under the step-by-step process. So the workplace hazard is the same thing for everywhere. The 6th major workplace hazards, these hazards into risk, that risk into the accidents, incidents. So you must have a hazard, risk assessments, control measures and trainings, toolbox talks and trainings. That will training and that will change the BBS, means changing the behaviors based on this hazard, how people are reacting, and then if the unsafe behavior is there, you are changing the behavior. That is the behavior based safety. So these are control measures. First you have to understand what are the 6 workplace hazards, and then based on this hazard what are the risks. Then based on the risk you have to make a risk assessment. Then based on the risk assessment you have a control measures. Based on this control measures you have a training. This training you have to see the inspections, auditing and implementation purpose. Then only you will come to conclude that one accident and incident to be controlled and good safety culture are implemented. Thank you.